The type of thing people do here. Look, they just interlock their hooks. They don't even know how to unhook it. That's part. They don't even know how to unhook it. Alright guys, we're back at it again. You know, he's creating a business. Don't mind him, he's just creating a business.
It's always time to create business.
No
Someone's
cap.
gotta be rich. And
No
I
cap.
want it to be me.
No cap, me too. I ain't gonna hold you.
What are you doing to, get rich?
To be us.
Yeah, I want it to be us.
It could be you guys too, but you gotta want it more than I want it for you.
I mean, but that's the thing though. If you get it, then I get to have it. If you share it. You see?
I don't share my
It
business.
works just right.
What do you mean you don't share your business?
Yeah.
Are you being
Greedy activity, right?
greedy activity?
It's not even
Greedy
published. I paid
activity.
$0
bro.
for fun.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, that doesn't matter, but it's a business. You thought of something. Yeah, he doesn't know what to say to that. Look at him.
What the hell is wrong with
Well, he doesn't know what to say.
That's all you got.
you? You guys just want, hands on everything.
No. We're not saying handouts.
I mean,
But we're just saying.
Who told you to go ahead and give us money in our hands?
Yeah, none of us. We never said give us money.
We never said give us money in our hands.
How about I set both of y'all free?
Yeah.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
Senora, senor. We just painted this black. Oh man. Now, since we're done with almost everything, we're moving on to the tires. Right there. Trying to get the tires in. And hey, cruising around town, right? Cruising around town. Quick question, guys. I wanted to say, I want to know how long you guys be at the gym for, because not everybody be there at the same time.
I'd be there.
For how long?
I'd be there for like 2+ hours. Okay.
Alright.
What's up?
Bro,
I have to be there for an hour.
There's a lot of variance of working out.
What?
So I get over it.
Yeah, but I just like be there for an hour though. Just thinking about it.
And now we're just doing what, cardio?
Anything.
Yeah, that's your problem. We're not just doing anything.
What is?
It's coming out of this.
The meow meow's coming out of his ass. Yo, what you doing? You in the bathroom? Yeah, that is the
No,
bathroom.
he's taking his shit.
That is the bathroom. Hold on.
This nigga was just.
Got you on camera, Poppy.
What you trying to do?
We trying to like get you out there.
Nigga said what you.
Oh man, he's shirtless too.
Bro,
You know that is. What's going on? Like, is it that bad? Did you eat that many cats?
Nah, he still got free. He got a whole fur
That's
ball,
that
he
man,
still got-
Bacalao.
Nigga said, babe.
That's how you hold a drill, dude. Come on now, get out of there. Whatever.
Alright guys, now we're done mind the engine there, but now we're coming to this side, getting this tire in.
Damn, oh, this is too close.
Here's wow. Oh,
Can you
wow.
put that tire on there? Damn, what's taking you so
that's not
long?
what
Wow, like nah, that's the reason why he stopped. He was trying to turn around so you know.
Like, why is it taking you so long? Why is it taking you so long? Damn.
Get that dude. Get this dude.
I might know why.
Why, buddy?
It might be the back.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. Wrong tire?
Yeah, that was wrong, right?
Yeah, you were wrong.
So why didn't you put it on?
On all scales.
Why'd you put it on?
Because you should have paid attention.
I wasn't here when you guys were working on that.
No, I mean, you should have been the one to point it out. Here's the right one.
Yeah.
Under the car. Whoever thought it would be under the car.
So now what we gotta do is remove that front bumper.
Type shit.
Yeah, and then we gotta put the other front bumper back on. The other front bumper on.
Where's the other one?
The other one's over there in that little shed.
Whoa!
Damn, boy. Oh, behind me like that, boy. Careful with yourself, boy. Alright, we need these.
Alright. Yo. Alright guys, this the bumper that's going on.
Yep, they're down.
We're just gonna have to see which one looks better, if it's that one or
They're literally the same thing, dude.
this
It's just
one.
that this one, I
Yeah.
had a little bit of an accident. It's all bent up.
Yeah.
This one's all bent up. You can see the back.
Accident for sure.
Yeah, definitely. It's a little.
And it's part white. It's part white. That's part white. And same one, same
thing
bumper
right
right
there.
here.
Little carpet thing. Yeah, that one right there.
What we do gotta do is clean up though.
Yeah,
This shit
it's hectic.
is bad. We'll need.
Buffalo.
What's up, fool?
Oh.
Grilled chicken. I ain't got no grilled chicken for you, homie.
It's sister food.
Oh, but I made some nice, spicy, sweet and spicy chicken last night. That shit was fire. It was bomb. Huh? I am this person. This is me.
This person's gonna get out, yeah.
Why? Why are you asking? How long you here for? How long you here for? Sala, can we get the white impact? Alright, give me the keys. Put it on the seat. I'll move it when I need. I need access to your vehicle.
So he could move it out.
Yes, he is.
Yes,
You got a
yes,
problem
Lord.
with that?
I mean, well, you just ended up being in it.
Who told you to walk into this driveway? Asking us questions here.
Drive into this driveway.
Right, drive into this driveway.
What's up? Hold up. I said rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, let's go again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, why are you putting your fingers way before me, bro? Wait till I say shoot. Let me say shoot. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Over there. Where it's supposed to be. Over here.
Okay, I'm over
You're
here.
doing great, Abdullahi.
Yo,
I mean, I had to put a game show on, you know?
Let's see if we pull this guy out.
Do you guys, while he's taking off that side and he's taking off this side.
How we doing over there?
We're doing okay. It's just kind of stuck a little bit.
Stuck?
Wait, it's going. Alright, we're good.
Shoot, he almost scared me talking about stuck. That's it?
That's all.
This is what we got going on, ladies.
No, we're cameraman. Focus on the camera. I'm good. See,
It's on the camera.
Alright.
that's why I got a helper right here. All right. This cameraman trying to do everything.
Here, just slip it to my side. Yep. And you get out. Yep.
How heavy you think it is? How much you think it weighs?
Like the back of your head. That's crazy, isn't it?
Please don't say that again. That was terrible. The back of my head has nothing to do with the weight of this, bro. I wish it was. I wish it was. But.
You do everything but record.
What suck you guys like? Let's get this piece going right here. Unbend it if you want to say. But this one on this side is good though. And this one not so good. We'll just have to see. You guys can see the markings here. And you can also see here that it's like pushed in this way with this side also. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, the whole thing is just bent.
Let me see.
Might have to get a new one, possibly.
No. Step on that. Okay, hold on. Step on it. Hold on. Let it go.
That worked a lot better.
Somehow need to go.
When you feel like Hulk or you can bend anything, you're gonna be like this dude. Feeling like you could carry a car.
Right.
What guys do? That's what guys do.
Go. Let's see. It's not the perfect. It's not as perfect as I want it to be, but grow into it.
I just told you what it
All right,
smells
come
like.
on.
Alright, get down there, boy. Hard, damn it.
I'll let it go. I'll put myself there. Outro.
So what happened? What happened? How's
Nigga was tired the whole time.
I was recording,
His ass.
falling asleep. The swatter hopped
okay?
quite
You
a
didn't
lot.
do shit.
But listen though. I hardly had sleep, right? I hardly had sleep.
What's your like?
But,
what are you trying to say?
I put in the effort
You put in the
What?
effort.
to
Oh,
start recording before anybody.
okay.
You were confused recording the whole time.
Yeah,
I actually got some good footage.
Wow.
but the truck looks real good.
No cap.
No more gaps that was here.
the one who did all the
Gaps
effort.
out, guys. No more gaps that was here. Covered up right there.
Oh, you said we're putting spaces?
We're not doing that again.
Yeah, okay.
We're not doing that again. Not at all. That side is all good. I just gotta get that painted pretty much. But also this one too needs painting. We can do a little painting on the bumper. What?
See how you got this here?
Uh-huh.
Imagine if this was
I mean, that is a good idea, but then at the same time too, why would you want to just put an LED right there? Because it doesn't make no sense. It'll just be like it's just showing right there.
yeah, that too. Like,
Oh no, not even that. I got an idea since you guys were talking about that, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you see down here, let me show you somewhere. You see down there where there's that little space?
Yeah, spacing.
It's gonna go under there. Cause I could put it right on this and then just bring the wires up, put them in the headlight, connect it to signal and the running. And that's pretty much it. And I don't understand why these fog up real quick. I don't know. Show me, Papi.
You need help unfogging them? Call me up.
Call you up? All right, boys. What?
See you next time. That was a good vlog. We're out.
And of course, let's not forget the fact that we spilled oil in his engine bay. So let's get that engine bay. Hey, what are you doing?
The type of thing people do here. Look, they just interlock their hooks. Yeah, they don't even know how to unhook it. That's right. They don't even know how to unhook it.
Relax. Alright, go from that side.
I don't think that's coming off.
I gotta go that way.
I gotta go over here. Hold on.
No,
This way.
you gotta. No, stop. No.
First, I'll go around.
You move. If you move, it'll be a lot better. Let's see how long it takes for them to.
Oh, okay, you got it. Okay.
Wow.
Now get out of my way, cause I'm coming over there. Watch out. Get you brush out of here. Come over here. Let's not forget we spilled a whole lot of oil in his engine bay. And of course, let me not forget not to get anything on there. So, go in with it over here.
Clean your car, kid. That water's hot though. That water's hot.
What? No, it's just mist. Mist don't matter.
all up in there. Whoever thought you could clean this part of your car, all right?
Everybody.
Not me. I was cleaned up by hand. My foot. I was cleaned up by hand.
Look at that, guys. Then also, let's not forget the underbody right here.
Yep, the underbody too.